RSS BJP ideology opposes the Indian constitution, and it was the RSS that rejected and opposed the constitution. That is the attack that is coming in from the Congress party. Remember, the Congress is likely to escalate it further as the RSS leader, Dattatreya Hosebale, has called for review of the words secularism and socialism, saying that it was inserted in the preamble only during the emergency. Now, this is the Congress party from its official account saying the RSS BJP's very ideology stands in direct opposition to the Indian constitution. RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosebale has openly called for the removal of the words socialist and secular from the preamble. This is not just a suggestion, it is a deliberate assault on the soul of our constitution. The Congress party has then gone on to say that this is part of a long-standing conspiracy to dismantle Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's vision for a just, inclusive and democratic India, something the RSS and BJP has always been plotting. Let's not forget, when the Constitution was adopted, the RSS rejected it. They didn't just oppose it, they burnt it. In the Lok Sabha elections, the BJP leaders did not even hide their intent. They declared openly that they needed over 400 seats to rewrite the Constitution, but the people of India saw through their agenda and gave them a resounding answer. So this is the official Congress account that is going on to say that this is part of the BJP RSS agenda. Now remember, during the Lok Sabha elections as well, the Congress party had raked up the issue saying that there could be a change in the constitution, and that had affected, many believe, the prospects of the BJP in the Lok Sabha elections. Now the RSS General Secretary has said that there is a need for a debate on the words secularism as well as socialism being put into the constitution. Now, the RSS General Secretary has called for a review of the words that have been inserted into the preamble of the constitution by way of the 42nd Amendment. Now, the argument that the RSS has made is that it was added during the emergency and it was not part of the original text which was drafted by B.R. Ambedkar. Well, with that, let's get you more breaking updates coming in. Ahead of the Tamil Nadu